All right, for this problem, it already tells us that we have a hyperbola, so we could be thinking about our notes and the different equations that we have for our hyperbola, which remember, the hyperbola has a minus between the fractions, and then there are these two kind of forms that you could have. Now remember, for hyperbola, whichever letter comes first, if it's x squared, that means that we have a parabola going left and right, just like the x-axis goes. If we have y squared first, that's going to be up and down following along the y-axis. Okay, so looking at our picture, we know that we're going to look at this form that we have here. So if you want to write in this equation, we already know that we have the y squared and the x squared. Now our center is not at 0, 0. Our center is located, let's kind of follow that along to the x-axis and to the y-axis. It looks like it's counting by 2, so this would be a 3 right in the middle. So we know that our center here is going to be 3, 2. And remember that this is basically transforming us from 0, 0, so we're going to input those next to our x and our y here. So in the y direction, we are moving up 2, so we're going to put y minus 2 here. In the x direction, we are going to the right 3, so we're going to write x minus. So it will be x minus 3 for the other part. And we again know it's minus, and we have these fractions are always equal to 1. So then we just need the numbers underneath the x and the y. So what those numbers, remember, mean is how much, in case of the y, you're going to go up and down from the center to get to your hyperbola. So we're looking at really this distance here. Now these are counting by 2, so I'm going to input these in here so I can see it a little bit more clearly. So it looks like I'm going up 1 space, matching up with that axis there. 2, 3, 4, 5. I went up 5 spaces. So this is going to be 5 squared down here, or we could just say 25. So it'll be y minus 2 squared over 25. In the x direction, we are going, again, left and right to make the box. So it's talking about that distance from the center to the edge of that box. Remember, that box makes the asymptotes that form the hyperbola. So for this one, we're going to go over 1, 2. That's just 2 spaces. So we're going to be 2 squared, so it'll be 4. So it'll be x minus 3 squared all over 4 is equal to 1. Hope that helps.